In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ChatGPT tutorial for teachers 2026. Learn how to use ChatGPT. To get started, head over to the official ChatGPT website, or if you prefer, download the ChatGPT mobile app. If you're new to the platform, the first thing you'll need to do is create an account. You can sign up with your email address or another supported sign-in option, and you may be asked to verify your account before continuing. Once that's done, log in, and you'll arrive at the main chat interface, which is where all the magic happens. From here, start a new chat. This is a simple but helpful habit because beginning with a fresh conversation keeps each lesson, class topic, or project neatly separated. That makes it much easier to come back later and find exactly what you worked on. Now it's time to describe your teaching needs. The key here is to be clear and specific. You can ask ChatGPT to create a grade 5 science lesson plan, write a 10-question math quiz, explain photosynthesis in simple language, generate classroom discussion questions, or create homework assignments. In general, the more context you give, the more useful the response will be. To improve the quality of what you get, include important details in your prompt. Mention the grade level, subject, learning objectives, lesson duration, difficulty level, curriculum standards, and even your preferred teaching style. For example, you might ask for a 45-minute grade 7 history lesson on the Industrial Revolution with group activities and an exit ticket. That kind of detail helps the tool create something much closer to what you actually need. Once you've done that, you can use ChatGPT to generate a wide range of classroom materials, including lesson plans, worksheets, quizzes, answer keys, rubrics, presentation outlines, reading passages, writing prompts, classroom games, and even drafts for parent communication. Just remember to review everything carefully before sharing it with students. You can also personalize the content for your own classroom. For example, you might ask it to simplify a difficult concept, add higher order thinking questions, differentiate activities for mixed ability learners, translate instructions into another language, or adjust the reading level. Before using any AI-generated material, always review it for accuracy. Check facts and dates, verify formulas and calculations, make sure examples are appropriate, and confirm that the material aligns with your curriculum and school requirements. AI can be incredibly helpful, but teacher review is still essential. Finally, save and organize your work by keeping conversations, copying useful content into your lesson planning tools, or exporting and printing materials when needed. As you continue using ChatGPT, keep refining your prompts. Small changes, like asking for hands-on activities, assessment rubrics, extension tasks, differentiated instruction, discussion questions, or standards alignment can dramatically improve your results over time.